Features on a part can be measured in a variety of ways. Successful reverse engineering requires identifying how to accurately measure components while minimizing time and cost. Hand tools and measuring instruments are an ideal way to quickly obtain precise readings without needing to employ larger and more advanced systems, such as a CMM. We maintain an extensive collection of hand tools suitable for any measurement application. Calipers, or more specifically vernier calipers, are a staple of many engineering arsenals. Their versatile design allows them to measure the length of a wide range of features. Calipers will typically have an accuracy of 1/1000th of an inch, which is sufficient for dimensioning most machined features. If greater dimensional accuracy is needed, micrometers are the next up. With precision 10 times that of normal calipers, micrometers are used to measure critical features, such as the diameter of mating shafts. The design of standard micrometers lack the versatility of calipers, so there are often specialized versions for different applications, such as depth micrometers for measuring blind distances, and internal micrometers, or trimix, for measuring bore diameters. Fairly specialized yet incredibly useful, the plating thickness tester measures the amount of covering applied to a base material. It is most commonly used for chrome plating, nickel plating, and paints. In addition to reverse engineering, the tester can also be used to ensure coatings have been applied evenly over the length of a part. Our collection of gauge pens ranges from 6/1000ths of an inch to 1 inch in 1/1000th of an inch increments. The pens are used on critical holes to both qualify hole diameter and provide the engineer with an idea of how the mating parts will interact with the hole feature, such as a slip, press, or intermediate fit. Gauge pens can also be used where normal measurement equipment cannot reach. Radius gauges are used to roughly approximate non-critical radii on the surface or edges of a part. These radii are typically non-functional and are more for aesthetics or to round sharp corners for safety. Thread gauges are utilized to quickly assess the type of thread on a part and are available for both internal and external threads. These gauges may evaluate the size of the thread as a whole, but for larger threads, thread pitch and diameter may need to be measured separately to find the thread size. Tightly controlled, these gauges provide far greater certainty than checking threads against stock screws and bolts, as some metric and imperial threads are almost identical.